Class exercise, texture animation. The objectives for this lesson are to create and play basic animations, adding tweening and frame delays, the ability to show me how you can use layers, and of course to use color and the swatches panel to control your color. The task for this assignment: create a basic texture pattern in Photoshop and then animate it. Your challenge is to make the file size small. Application of this animated texture could be on a mobile app, maybe within a game, on a website, or maybe as an email background. The criteria here: you will create an original texture in Adobe Photoshop. Try to keep the design simple. This will help you. Then you will manipulate the texture utilizing multiple layers. After you have created your Photoshop document with multiple layers, then you're going to open up that animation panel and then create some sort of interesting animation. Remember, in Photoshop, with the animation panel, you're creating a new frame and then you're turning layers on, turning layers off, turning adjustment layers on, off, masks on, off, whatever it may be. So build that Photoshop document first and then go to your animation panel. At a minimum, your animation must be constructed utilizing the following tools or techniques in Photoshop. Of course, you're going to create a basic texture. Then you're going to alternate the texture on multiple layers. Then you will create a basic animation using those layers. You will add tweening between your frames on your animation and also utilize the frame delay for an aesthetically pleasing texture animation. I want you to upload your original Photoshop file, that .psd file, so I can see your layers and I can see your animation panel. But then you also need to upload your animated GIF to the Dropbox. I want you to share your solutions under Discussions, Week 15, and Texture, and comment on those animations you find most visually attractive. Here are a couple of examples of what potentially could be done. Now, I don't want you to copy, but you get the idea of what I'm looking for here. Very simple, very basic. An animation that could be potentially, like we mentioned, used in a game, on a website, in a mobile app, maybe even in an email background. So, good luck with this. Have fun. Remember, simplicity is key.